In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your store using the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to streamline your inventory, this guide will help you get your store up and running with ease. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Hostinger's main homepage. This is where all your journey with Hostinger starts, making it the central hub for managing your website. Once you're there, look for the option to Edit Website. Clicking this takes you straight into the heart of your website's customization options, giving you a range of features to modify and enhance your online presence. Next, you'll see a section labeled Store. By clicking on this, you'll enter the area dedicated to managing and setting up your online store. Hostinger makes it straightforward by keeping all store-related features in one accessible location. Once you're in the store section, you'll want to add a store to get started. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for the products you'll be adding. Look for the Add Store button. Click it, and voila, you're setting the foundation of your digital storefront. As you progress, you'll find many options at your disposal, but for now, let's focus on the More button. Clicking More will potentially reveal additional functions or settings that can enhance your store experience, depending on your specific needs or preferences. There might be another More option that you'll need to click. Don't hesitate to explore these options, as it could provide useful tools or tips that suit your e-commerce objectives. Continuing through the process, return to the Store section once more. The familiarity of navigating back to this main area ensures you have a clear path and access to all necessary features related to your store management. Now, you need to focus on the Products section. Clicking on Products is where the magic happens. It's where you'll be adding all the items you plan to sell, complete with descriptions, prices, and any other relevant details. As you go through these steps, remember that Hostinger aims to be intuitive. So even if you ever feel like you've missed a step or need more customization, you can easily navigate back and explore additional options. This platform is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring anyone can build an online store without needing extensive technical knowledge, and that's it. You've just learned how to add a product to your store with Hostinger Website Builder. While it may seem like a lot of steps initially, take your time with the process, and soon enough, you'll be managing your online store like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.